Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2004 RAV4. I'm performing a lot of inspections. My friends just bought it and they want it. Make sure they know in which condition it is. Let's go together and look on the rear brakes. This model, it's a two-wheel drive. You can see there's not a rear diff and the shafts. So we are looking right now, once again, on two-wheel drive model. Let me bring some light here. And I move to the other side just for a change. So if you look on the brake pads, I measured them 6 mm, which basically in the back it's again almost brand new. Looking on these surfaces, somebody probably replaced front and rear pads before they sold it to my friends. Alright, it's even very easy to read here. Minimum thickness is 8 mm for this rotor. It's right here. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, this seems to be fairly new stuff. Now I'm inspecting only the rotor, right, and the brake pads, but as you know, inside, like in the drum right here, there are the parking brake shoes. So let's go and take that rotor off and look inside. So I have removed the two bolts which were holding that brake caliper. It was 14 mm bolts, right? Now I need to carefully place this caliper somewhere here. It cannot be hanging on its brake line, right? That will be a mistake. And hopefully, without getting in your way, I can remove the whole thing. Voila! Another confirmation. This whole part seems to be brand new. I will use my small catching pan and brake cleaner to clean this area so we can have a really good and safe look on this, right? We don't want to be breathing that dust. Still, it should be cleaned recently, but it doesn't matter. I can let it drip and wait for a minute or two. I'm using my gauges and I'm checking the thickness of those shoes in multiple areas. Alright, sorry for that. But it looks that it's a 2 mm. They look very nice. It looks original Toyota. Here is the detail of this area, right? See the hardware, everything looks nice. By all these numbers on it, I will say it was OEM parts installed in this area. The only problem, what I was being told by the owner, is that something squeaks in the reverse. And I will assume it's the brakes, right? When they start backing, there's a little bit of squeak from the back part of the car, so I'm pretty sure it's from the brakes. I will say there's definitely lack of lubrication on these three areas where the shoes are touching that back plate. Do you see that orangey area? That should be, right, when I move it, because it has a play, there should be a grease there. And it seems to be also here on the top. Do you see it? Let me zoom it out. The top has the same, this area. Seems to be a lack of lubrication. For that, you have to use the high temperature synthetic grease, right? Very small amounts, that those shoes can be basically flowing on top of it and not scraping and make any noises. So I will go and lubricate it and then put it all together, because This is only inspection, I'm not repairing anything. I was just going to give them idea in which condition it is. And of course I will perform the same thing on this side. Hopefully it's in the same condition and there's nothing wrong with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.